Man-made chemicals such as pharmaceutical drugs, alcohol, recreational drugs, nicotine, toxic metals, and food additives have created havoc around the world. More likely than not, someone you know or even a family member is struggling with addiction issues. We are excited to share with you a solution for the addiction epidemic called the Scalar Energy Addiction Chemical Cleanse Therapy. This cutting-edge program has been created to correct addiction to substances and eradicate toxic substances from the body. And amazingly, this is all done remotely. You're probably thinking, wait, remotely? That's right. This program is entirely administered remotely. And if you're not familiar with the term scalar energy, you may have heard it by another name. It's also been called radiant energy, prana, ki, chi, or mana by various cultures. This God-given science is actually not new to humanity and has been researched in the scientific world for over 100 years. Tom Paladino is one of those researchers who has been helping people around the world for the past 25 years. As a humanitarian, Tom is constantly thinking of ways to improve people's health and well-being and has amazingly discovered a way to address addiction issues. From his lab, Tom treats people remotely by placing a person's photo into his scalar energy instrument. And one great feature is that the photo can be any part of the body, which makes this process 100% confidential. Tom's Scalar Energy Addiction Cleanse Therapy, otherwise known as ACCT, is already changing lives, and those people are sending us amazing feedback.
Hi, my name's Sherry, and I'm giving an 11th week report on my addiction reversal therapy. I have noticed a considerable drop in any feeling that I want to have any sugar, sweets, any alcohol, and I know that by the end of my 3 months that I can say I have lost any craving and really the enjoyment of drinking. So I have to say that for me the results are very positive, and I expect them to stay positive, and this is wonderful because I felt slightly out of control with it, that even though I knew it wasn't good for me, or I felt I was drinking too much or eating too many sweets, that I just loved dessert too much, and I knew it wasn't healthy, but the fact that I seemed to crave it is what disturbed me, and that's what led me to use scalar energy healing for both the sugar and the alcohol. And I'm saying that it has worked for me. And my whole entire family have begun signing up. I'm seeing nothing but positive results from this. Thank you very much, Tom. And I look forward to many happy years of being completely in control of my life.
It is important to note that we live in a quantum world, and scalar energy works at the quantum level and can be instructed to disassemble the chemical bonds of pharmaceutical drugs, alcohol, recreational drugs, nicotine, toxic metals, food additives, and man-made chemicals. The Scalar Energy Addiction Chemical Cleanse Therapy also serves to negate or at least weaken the psychological desire for pharmaceutical drugs, alcohol, recreational drugs, nicotine, toxic metals, food additives, and man-made chemicals. With his passion and non-stop energy, Tom Paladino is on a mission to help heal the world and has developed scalar energy instruments capable of disassembling and eradicating over 400,000 pathogens such as viruses, bacteria, fungi, and parasites. As a matter of fact, remote scalar energy healing has helped people overcome many health challenges, including herpes, Lyme disease, hepatitis, HIV, Ebola, parasites, fungal infections, and arthritis, to name a few. To learn more about scalar energy, Tom has created numerous videos with information and testimonials that will amaze you. Hopefully, you will join us on this mission to create a better world. May God grant you excellent health.